But do you have respect for Hindi?
It's a communal angle that they want to portray, and they want to spoil the image of Maharashtra, which is a completely progressive and a peaceful state. Why there were not so many incidents earlier? I mean, why they are started?
Maybe there were so many incidents earlier because the likes of MNS were not given fuel by the Shiv Sena UBT. That is why there were no such incidents earlier, because the MNS did not think that they wanted to behave like this in order to get some oxygen for their dying politics.
These incidents that you're reporting are pre-July 5th, and there is no FIR. There was no FIR of any sort on these MNS workers. Why? Because they were in alliance with the BJP or the Mahayuti government at that
No,
point.
they are not pre-July 5th. They were.
They had
Wait a second.
supported the BJP or the Mahayuti government during Lok Sabha
You want to talk about post-July 5th? Day before yesterday, the son of an MNS office bearer got involved in a skirmish with a Marathi speaking woman, and he was drunk, and when he rammed his car into hers, the first thing he said was, "Terko pata nahi hai mera baap kaun hai?" That is the level of Marathi Asmita, that he rams his car into the car of a Marathi speaking woman.
The Congress party categorically denies such association with any of these particular activities. In fact, we are against any sort of violence in name of anything, be it language or be it any other issue for that matter.
Don't you find it funny that when it comes to the tasteless comments of Nishikant Dubey, Sanjay Raut asks for the resignation of the Chief Minister, no less. When it comes to the behavior of these lumpens, you say we do not associate with these people. You're not asking for anybody's resignation. You're not asking questions of Raj Thackeray or Uddhav Thackeray, who shares the stage with him. All you have to say is generic platitudes.
Because he's completely misled the state, as well as he is incompetent in handling these small incidents as well. So I'm saying, why there were not FIRs registered earlier or prior to July 5th, when the MNS was in alliance with the Mahayuti government.
Actually, if you're talking about a shopkeeper being slapped, there's not just an FIR, there's a charge sheet also, to the best of my knowledge, which has been filed against those people.
It is not just one alone incident. There were many incidents that had happened. So why there were no FIRs?
So there are many incidents, there are many such incidents being carried out by MNS. So you agree that MNS are lumpens, they are goons, right?
Yes, we completely agree. And we do not...
then why is Uddhav Thackeray sharing a stage with a party of goons and lumpens?
We have not gotten into any alliance with them. It is only they have come on a same platform as that of UBT. So they have not taken any decision of whether they have been a part of MVA or not. Okay.